Keeping the YouTube app updated on your Android device is one of the easiest ways to enjoy the latest features, improved performance, and important security updates. If you're not sure how to update it, don't worry. The process only takes a few steps. Open the Google Play Store. This is the official app store where Android apps are downloaded and updated. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type YouTube and press search. Next, find the official YouTube app in the search results. Make sure it's the app published by Google LLC. Look at the button beside the app name. If the button says Update, simply tap it. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the latest version of YouTube automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the update may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. If the button says Open instead of Update, there's nothing else you need to do. This means your YouTube app is already updated to the latest available version and you're using the newest features and improvements. For the best experience, it's also a good idea to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before updating, especially if the update is large. Keeping your apps updated helps fix bugs, improves compatibility with your device, enhances security, and ensures you can access the newest YouTube features as soon as they're released. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.